I don't know, Mr. Todd.
The judge will be here soon.
Excuse me, sir. Get me fright.
Not my intention, good madam, I assure you. Though I am here on official business. You see, there's been some complaints about the stink from your chimney. They say at night it is something most foul. Health regulations and the general public welfare naturally being my duty, I'm afraid I'm going to have to take a look. At your bakehouse.
Of course, sir. But first...
Your bakehouse.
But first, why don't you come upstairs, let me pamper you.
Much as I do appreciate tonsorial adornment, I really ought to see to my official obligations first.
I completely understand. If you'll indulge me, sir, what is that exotic... What is that exotic aroma?
The secret is a touch of ambergris.
Dare I offer you something a tad more appropriate for a gentleman of your standing? Appropriate for a gentleman of your standing. The ladies will greatly appreciate it, sir.
Well, you are the expert in these matters.
Only take a moment. Would you like a bit of bay rum, sir?
Oh, bay rum is very bracing.